1st of May. It is a Monday, the bank holiday, and the sun is so beautiful. I thought I'd give a go doing a vlog, a week in my life maybe. It's the same day that I uploaded my June plan with me, but I don't know. I feel like this will be a good week. I feel it in my bones. So I thought I'd make a video and you can come along with me. I've been wanting to do one of these for so long, so hopefully this turns out. Yeah, so I'm just after my dinner. It is such a lovely sunny day, so I'm up here with an ice lolly and my book. I am reading Where the Crawdads Sing, Reese Witherspoon's favourite book, and she has the same birthday as me, so maybe I'll like it too. So I'm sitting here with wet hair. It is about 12 midday on Wednesday now, and I had such a great day at the beach yesterday. It was so lovely, and I didn't take any videos like this because I was just having too much fun, basically. But I think I'm gonna do a bit of journaling and paint maybe for this afternoon before I go to work later on, and yeah, just kind of have a chill day. I've got a cup of tea up with me and I'm ready to chill. Hi, so I didn't really get talking more yesterday, but instead of painting yesterday, which I'd said I was going to maybe do, I made prints of some digital pieces that I've done, and I'm really liking them. I like how they turned out, and yeah, I don't know, because I made a New Year's resolution to start an Etsy shop, and it's now the 3rd of June, so I am a bit behind on that. So I need to figure out how to work Etsy first of all, because I really want to get it up for like midway through June, because I have like all these supplies and everything bought months ago and I just never did it. I just kept on getting too like nervous, or I don't know, like thinking I don't like what I was doing then, and I kept on changing it up and stuff. But I think I might as well just go for it now. So I need to figure out how to work Etsy and get it all set up, and then hopefully upload everything for the 15th. What date is the 15th? Actually, I want to check this because it's a Tuesday. Okay, maybe I'll go for the 14th, so it's a Monday. I'll keep you posted. But that's what I need to do, and I'm gonna tidy my room up a wee bit now, and then maybe try to figure that out for a wee while. And I also want to do a colour and pencil piece today. Probably not finish it, they take me ages, but I'm in the mood to do some colour and pencil. So I'm gonna keep that in the background. The audio.
Did you have that in your room?
Hello, this is gonna be kind of a get ready with me. Oh no, my beauty blender broke. Because I've sort of forgotten to do this for the past couple of days. I went out last night. The last time I took a video was of my fry yesterday morning, and then I don't know, all day yesterday I was like just doing prep things, and then I went out at like 5 p.m. and I had work today from 10 until 5, and now I'm getting ready to go back out. I'm so tired. I would actually, well, it'll be good. It's going out with people from work, so it'll be fun. But, you know, like, I'm really tired. I should do a get ready with me sometime. That would actually be quite fun. I should get a better setup though. I'm doing my makeup the laziest way possible too. I'm not even doing foundation or anything. I'm literally going to do like concealer and a bit of powder foundation, because I'm just looking to get it done as quickly as possible. It's like 7 at the minute and our table's booked for 7:30, so probably cutting it a bit close, but actually it won't take me long at all, so it's fine. You can kind of tell I'm tired, like I've got bags under my eyes. Oh well. Maybe I'll remember to take videos while I'm out. Maybe not. We will see.